Hello guys. If your Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2 is not charging, it can be frustrating because the device becomes completely unusable without power. You may plug it in and notice that there is no light, no charging sign, or it charges very slowly. Many people think the battery is dead right away, but in most cases the issue is related to the charger, connection points, or how the device is placed on charge. Since this is a cordless unit, proper contact and correct charging setup are very important. Even a small issue like loose connection or dirt can stop it from charging. So, in this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2 that is not charging. Try these. 1. Make sure the charger is properly plugged into a working power outlet. 2. Check the charging cable and adapter for any visible damage. 3. Clean the charging port and contact points on the device. 4. Place the water pick correctly on the charger to ensure proper contact. 5. Try a different outlet or adapter to rule out power issues. 6. Leave it on charge for some time and check if it starts charging.